Hi, this is Kirk with forexstrategysecrets.com. What we want to share with you in this video is another way that you can trade the currency market while working a full-time job. This is when you come home from work and you have a little bit of time that you can spend looking at some charts. We've given other methods where you may not look at as much. You put your trades on, then manage them with stop losses and take profits and so forth. This one would be one where you might want to sit down, make a few trades, and play the market right while you're watching it. So the technique here is, first of all, you go to a 1 hour time frame and you look to make sure that you're trading in the direction of the trend. That's all you use the 1 hour for, is to find make sure you're trading in that direction of that trend, whether it's red for short or blue for long. So right now we have a long trade. Let's go to the 15-minute, and this is where we'd be looking to say yes, the 15-minute is going that direction. Then we would actually time our entry by going to the 5-minute. There was an alert on the 5-minute, and you can see it's only 2.5 pips or so up. It's been as high as about 3.5 pips, and that's how you would take a trade based on a shorter time period. You don't want to expect to get 20-30 pips out of a trade. You're looking for 5 plus, 5 to 10 maybe. They happen quickly and they happen regularly. The trend has been going a little while, 5 hours or so on the 1 hour. Now let's go to the 15-minute and see what it's doing. Now, probably about 5 or 10 minutes ago, the 15-minute had changed. It's up 7. Let's see if the 5-minute would give us a better entry there. 5-minute just barely gave us an entry signal, and so you'd be up a couple of pips on that one. So that's what you're looking for, an entry on the 15 or the 5, going in the direction of the 1 hour time frame. Now this is going to be a little test for you. This is blue. The momentum's been going up for a few hours. Let's look at the 15 and see if there's any signals to enter. Well, the 15 says it's doing a little retracement right here. So right there it heads up. No, we don't see anything yet. It may be forming something, but not yet. And now we see that the 5-minute is kind of going up a little bit with a sideways, this last couple of bars. So there's no signals, so we don't take a trade like that. Here's another example of a little trade that you could have possibly been looking for. This was already red going down, so if you'd seen the 1 hour going down, then you could look at the 15-minute. 15-minute turned going down, no signals, but it was turning going down. And then we can go to the 5-minute, and there was a signal right there. It's been as far as 21 pips in your direction. Currently it's about 9-10 pips is where it's bouncing at right now. So that's how you can trade a full-time job and still trade the currency market. The market doesn't have to be really active. It's better if it's active, but many times you can pick up a few pips, 5-10 pips here and there. That will help develop your skills as far as entering and then looking for exit signals to get out. Remember, it's the 1 hour trend, the trend in the direction of the 1 hour, the 15-minute to confirm that direction, and then the timing on the 5, or it could even be on the 15. One of the either of those two time frames will work. So I've given you examples of when nothing is setting up and when a couple of things are setting up. We've just been waiting a few minutes to take a look at this trade, how it came out, so you know that just look for a short number of pips. When it comes back, get out. Don't try and go for the home runs on the 15 and the 5-minute time frames. So if you like what you see, you can go to www.forexstrategysecrets.com and check us out, and we'll be able to help you learn how to trade the currency market while working a full-time job.